Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Rev Sports. I am Naman Suri and joining me is Amit Shah sir. He is with us at Rev Sports, and right now we are at the Wankhede Stadium right next to the BCCI office where the pre-England tour the press conference has just taken place. Shubman Gill and Gautam Gambhir, the new Test captain Shubman Gill and head coach Gautam Gambhir were there. They answered several questions. Amit Shah sir was in the press conference. So starting with, how did you see, what kind of body language did you see from our new captain?
See, there is a USP of all these new bunches. They are coming with the responsibility. And Shubman Gill was very focused because Gautam Gambhir already informed him well in advance that after Rohit Sharma, you need to lead the side. And he is well prepared while he was playing IPL. So Gautam also indicates, and Shubman also indicates that each and every big tour is challenging, but we are well prepared. And as we all know that most of the batsmen, except KL Rahul and Rishabh Pant, all the batsmen, they are touring first time in England. So I think this is really challenging for them. But its big thing is there that India or Indian team is getting 2 practice matches, all this entire lot. Once they are playing against England Lions and one they are playing intra-squad. So there is a pretty much 2 games around 10-15 days proper time to train them before they are playing to the first game.
Like you heard, it's going to be a tough task for Shubman Gill and Gautam Gambhir because this is a very young side. Only KL Rahul and Rishabh Pant have the experience, vast experience of playing across across the countries and scoring runs and leading teams to victories as well. Now Shubman Gill and Gautam Gambhir both seem confident in their team, but Virat Kohli and Rohit Sharma, this question was posed to them that without them, how do they see themselves playing in England? And what do you think, sir? What was the response from the captain and the coach?
See, the captain said that when you are serving for your country, especially in a red ball cricket, and Virat, a player kind of a Virat, he scored almost 9,200 runs. So maybe it's really a big achievement, and but you have to look forward because every time when we saw that PVS Lakshman, Rahul Dravid, Saurav Ganguly, Sachin Tendulkar, that era is finished, and Rohit Virat has took over, and now that era is also finished. So always you have to invest into the youngsters, and the entire transition phase it comes. This time there is a transition phase, but coach himself, he has said that you have to believe in your players, in your best players, and right now in this England tour, the best 15 or 16 member squad that selector has been chosen. And if you look at all these players, Yashasvi Jaiswal, Sai Sudarshan, Shubman Gill, KL Rahul, Rishabh Pant, even Karun Nair, because Karun Nair is coming back into the England team after a long time. And he, since last 2 seasons, he has scored a lot in domestic cricket. And if you see the first game against the practice game against the England Lions, he scored a double hundred. So Gautam said, I think this is the right squad, but the coach indicates once. That was my question, that how you can choose the playing 11, because that you need to choose either it's a batting spinning all-rounder or medium pace all-rounder. Gautam said each and every ground have a different challenge. Each and every ground, each and every venue is a different challenge. The condition is a bit different. So I think this is not an easy tour. And even coach has pointed out one more thing, that when you are taking any tournament, like in Australia, Champions Trophy, this England tour, or any tour, each and every series is challenged. So if you won the last series, if you are champion, forget that thing into the ground, start from the scratch, then you got the result. And I think if you want to win the game, you have to take the 20 wickets. If you're scoring 500, 600 runs, it's nothing like that. You have to score, you have to take the 20 wickets to win the test match. So overall, it's really a challenging tour, because you don't forget, we are playing against England in Leeds. It's up north, so the wicket is really fiery, the ball is moving, and England has announced their squad today itself. So I think it's a challenge for the Indian team. But as of now, in the press conference, we saw that coach and captain, they are very confident. Now, when the team are leaving tonight, That time we can see once they are reaching, they are just training. That time we'll check what is the results comes out there. Our reporter Rohit Juglan is there in England. You just go and watch our channel. He's just giving all the small updates from the India-England tour. So please subscribe Rave Sports for this exclusive coverage right now. And along with me, our 7 team members who would be there in England, and we are giving you each and every updates of the Indian cricket team in next 2 months. So please be with us, Rave Sports Cricket and Rave Sports Hindi also. You can get all the coverage in both the languages.
Definitely. You can hear the speakers blaring right behind us because the T20 Mumbai League is on. But these speakers, these blaring noises are also is coming into ears of Shubman Gill. He was overwhelmed at the opportunity of being captain of the test side of the Indian test side, and it's a big opportunity for him. It's going to be a big task, and like Sir said, do not forget to like, share and subscribe Rev Sports, because we will be coming to you with exclusive content right from England. Rohit Juglan, our senior, is already there. He is going to come in. He's going to give you exclusive content. Every inch, every news, every update will be coming in from him from England, and a lot of other people are also joining him from our team, and they are also going to give us big updates. So one last thing, there was one important thing that Gautam Gambhir spoke about, and it was regarding the Bangalore Stampede. He spoke about that you need to be a responsible citizen, and he has always been against these road shows since 2007. What statement did he put out, if you can just put it?
See, the exact statement which I have, I'm just reading in front of you. He said, we should never have that kind of road shows. Life of the peoples are very important. It can happen behind closed doors. Even when I was playing in 2000, I was never in favor of those. See, if you're not capable to do all this, see, right now we are standing in the Wankhede Stadium, just 6 months, a year down line. Sorry, I was forgetting the real time. 2024, when we won the T20 World Cup in June. Same road show was happened. This stadium, just across the road, there is a seashore, Marine Drive. Plenty of people are there. The entire Mumbai was on the road. The people came from the different cities also to watch their people. But thanks to the Mumbai Police, thanks to the Mumbai Cricket Association that we are right now here, the arrangement was superb. In the notice of just 24 hours time. So if you are able to host this kind of event, then only you take the event. Mumbai Cricket Association, none of the spectators here on the road, they had it means it's just very smoothly they have conducted the entire show. Thanks to the Mumbai Police, thanks to the Mumbai Cricket Association, the President Ajinkya Naik and our police force. But here in Bangalore we saw there was no planning. Just they need to, because they want, after the 18 years there is a long period span. But if such kind of incident happens, it really hurts. That's why in this MPL also, T20 Mumbai League, all the domestic players, they are wearing the black armband, and they are just giving tribute to all the lives. So whatever the Gautam Gambhir said is really right, because he was an ex-politician, he was an ex-member of parliament, and he is really a soft corner about each and every Indian nationals. So I think these kind of road shows, if you are capable, then you definitely do. But Gautam has expressed his views, and I think it's really right.
I mean, we continue to mourn the losses that the nation has lost because of that stampede. It's never a good sight, and as Gautam Gambhir has put it out, you need to be a responsible citizen, and you need to continue to adhere to rules and regulations. This is Naman Suri and Amit Shah Sir reporting for Rev Sports. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and we'll be back.